Anybody got a prescription, yeah, for this love pain? Anybody got a pill like a pop for this love pain? Anybody got a prayer like a session for this love pain, yeah? Ooh, I need it for this love pain. Anybody got a prescription, yeah?
Hello everyone, it's Keisha from Drink Coffee Make Stuff. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you my lineup for the rest of 2020. Two planners that I am putting to the side are my Homebody Classic Happy Planner. I've been using this one since January and I tell you I really love it. I hate to put it to the side, but yeah, I bought another planner, so I'm gonna go ahead and try something new. Now I do have the rest of it. This I took the other 6 months and I put it to the side, but I may end up going back to this dashboard layout because I really love the dashboard layout. There's a lot of room. I can jot down everything in it, and this was actually my home planner. Okay, so I'm putting this one on the shelf as well as the mini companion. I'm gonna also retire this one for right now. As I said, this one was my kind of on the go planner, again in the dashboard layout, but you know, I'm gonna put my babies to the side and try something different. So what I am using, I'll start with my mini. So this is the Wild Styled Mini Planner. I've already set it up, and I normally have a couple of different sections in here, so I'm not quite finished. But I've kept my Homebody in here for June. And so I'm going to get ready to start with this one. So I've got a couple of dashboards in here, one to mark my monthlies and then one to mark my weeklies. But I've also gone on and put my budget section in. Now the budget section I've been really kind of hit or miss on, but I'm gonna use this as the budgeting for my planner magazine and to keep track of the expenses that I have and the recurring fees that I have to use for that one. So that's what this budgeting section is going to be used for. Once school starts back, if we go back, then I'll be adding a school to-do section in here, just so I have that one with me. And I usually put it in this planner as well as my teacher planner because I leave my teacher planners at school. So, and I'll do another video showing what I'll be using for school this year. But this is just for my day-to-day stuff. So I'm using this Wild Style Mini. I'm also going to use the classic size Wild Style. So I'm excited to use this. It's a neutral planner. I went ahead and set it up. I've got my pen pouch, and I got some dashboards. This one will be for today. I've got a folder in here. I've also put in my July Faith section, and that's here. I've put in my section for work, and this is just, I use this section normally when I'm sitting at home and think of things that I need to do. I'll put it down here and then transfer it to my other planner. So that's this. I have some note paper. I've got the Wild Style, and then I think I have Wild Ideas. So I've got two sections of note paper here. And then I've got some other stuff, the budget section. Again, not quite sure how I'm going to use it in my classic, I'm going to try to make sure I stick with household things in this planner. But then I've got some note sheets and papers from my last planner that I wanted to keep. So I'll be using this. Oh, let me go back and say, for this mini, I am not sure how long this is going to last because it is a vertical mini planner. I've tried using one of these before, and I just couldn't get used to it. The boxes were too small. I write too big. But I'm going to try it again. And if it does not work, then I'm just going to replace these monthly pages, the weekly pages, with those of my dashboard. So maybe going that route. Not sure yet. So, okay. I'm also going to be using, let me go ahead and pull these to the side. This is my business planner. And I'll be using this one primarily for the magazine paper planner essentials and things that I need to do for each release. And this is just the regular planner that I've been using for this size. So that's what I'm going to be using for this one. I just simply changed the cover. I got this cover from the Happy Notes. So I changed the cover. I really liked how that looked. And to coordinate with that, I pulled this Happy Notes. And this is what I'll be using for the business as well. It's just blank note paper. It's dot grid. So I'll be using this to keep track of notes that I need to take when we have our Zoom meetings or, just me doing research or whatever. I also put in the back of this some of these project sheets for different things that we're working on with the magazine. So these two will be for the magazine. I would say business, but I tend to have a lot of different businesses throughout the year. But these two are dedicated solely to my magazine. Okay. All right. And I'm also using Planner Babe. This is the only one that I did not change. I love her so much, and I use this one for social media, and so I'm going to continue to use this one throughout the year. So this is just my social media planner, and so I will be continuing to use this. I use this one for Instagram, YouTube, and I was putting some of my magazine stuff here that I would need to post different campaigns that we were using. So that's what goes down in that bottom kit. So, but that's it. That's it for my home stuff. And of course, like I said, I have these two for my magazine. These two right here. These are going to be used just for my magazine. This is my social media planner, and I'm going to continue to use her. And the two that I'm completely new with are the Wild Style Classic and the Wild Style Mini. So that's it. And I do have like different sections in here already. I have my faith section. And for the faith, I am using, and I guess that's not the Planner Babe isn't the only one that I'm using. But this is the one I use for faith. So I'll continue using this one. And then you see the budget in there. So I really had 13 different planners at the beginning of the year, and I was using all of them until COVID. So right now, this is what I have planned. I may add more. Like I do have a couple of minis that I use. So I use this one. And sometimes I just do daily to-dos here. And I use this one for any websites that I need to use. And I kind of use this one in conjunction with my magazine business. So that's what I do. So let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if you include the faith, 6, 7. So 7 planners. But, you know, the ones that I use consistently are going to be these. So that's it. All right, guys. So if you like that video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And until next time, happy planning.